So haven't done a YouTube video in a while. I've been wanting to install Nameless performance dual chamber exhaust, but I haven't really found a YouTube video or an installation instructions. I know it seems pretty easy, but just wanted to help others who maybe might be lost on doing this. So hopefully this helps anyone. So come along the ride. Now, all you're gonna need is 14mm. I think you can also use the 9/16. So you need one of these ratchets, one of these as well, 9/16. So yep, we need two. So grab tools. There it is. Alright. So it's hard to see, but you have that there to remove, that there to remove, and then and that there, and that should all fit. All right, these were a pain. Holy cow, they're very tough to get out or to loosen up, but I got them. That might be the toughest part. All right, I did it. Now, next thing to remove, all you had to do is just basically slide these off, slide these hooks off, this one as well. All right, time to install. These are actually kind of hard to take off, though they're rubber. You just have to kind of yank and twist and pull. All right, let's do it. All right, so these things are kind of hard to put on because this rubber is actually very stiff. It's cold here. It's like 32 degrees, 35 degrees right now. So that thing right there was really hard. Same on the other side. That was really hard. I did put some oil to loosen it up a little, so I really hope it doesn't mess up with the grip later on. However, I'm in the last part, and then I'll be done.